Jinan SUDIAO CNC Router Company Limited, as a professional CNC factory founded in 2007, is constantly devoted in research and development and manufacture of intelligent panel production line, intelligent drilling and cutting machine for customized wardrobes and cabinets, side drilling machine, assembled solid doors process center and wood ATC process center, stone machine and laser machines. At home, our company has established several branches and agencies in every area, developed into the leading CNC company. And overseas, our CNC machines have exported to USA, Canada, Mexico, UK, Russia, Spain, France, Germany, Denmark, Thailand, India, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, etc. countries and areas. We have formed many long-term cooperators and agents in many places. Our company has imported advanced international technology and production process. We are positive enterprising, developing high-performance and high-quality machines to meet the requirements of different agents and customers. Based upon customers' benefit and service, maximizing their value is our company philosophy. Welcome to visit our factory and give us more orders. Trust us, support us. Thank you.